Hi again, it's Mrs. Dubois. Okay, so we did notes 1, which talked about like expressing algebra tiles as equations and solving equations, and that the potential that there's one, many, or no solutions, okay? So what you want to decide is want to make sure that in this section you read the question carefully. A solution to a linear equation, the value of the variable that makes the equation true. Remember at the very beginning of the year we talked about true and false, so this is true. What makes it true? What makes it work, okay? Is 3 a solution to this? 6 plus 5, 11 does not equal 12. So no, that is not true. How about in this one? If I build my nest and I plug in a -2, is this true? This will give me -1 minus 3, which is -4, equals -4. So this is true. -4 equals -4, so this is a yes. Okay. So you want to keep in mind that you're going in the opposite order of orders of operations. So first you're looking for distributive, combining like terms, balancing your equation, and then getting an answer. And you want to make sure that you show all your work, even on the one-step equation. So you're drawing a line down the middle. This is -6 times x. So this is x is equal to -8, okay? All right, same thing here. You're drawing your line to show the balance. You're going to subtract 4. X is equal to 11. And go here, draw a line down the middle. This is x divided by -4. So you're going to multiply each side by -4. Oops. So you get x is equal to 28. All right, so 3, 4, and 5 are all one-step equations. Then we're moving to two-step equations. Ta-da! So we draw our line down the middle, add 4 to each side. 4y equals 20. Then you're going to divide by 4, and y is equal to 5. And remember, at this moment, you need to show all your steps to get full credit, okay? As time goes on, I'll tell you when you don't have to show the steps to the 1 and 2 steps equations. But right now, we're just sending good skills and a solid foundation so that you'll be able to solve anything that's given to you in the future. -14, -12. And then you're going to see me erase again. Okay, so that's -12. Okay, so now I'm going to divide it by -3. So x is equal to 4. True. Draw your line. -9, -9. 5x equals 15. X is equal to 3. Okay. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 have one solution. Okay, and remember, we're doing D, C, B, A. So you're always looking like, is the distributive property present? Am I combining like terms? How do I balance? And then how do I get my answer? So you're drawing a straight line down, subtracting 5. X divided by 2 equals 6. Then you multiply each side by 2. X is equal to 12. Draw your line, subtract 19. -x equals -14. This is technically -1 times x, so you need a positive variable. So you're going to divide each side by -1, and you're going to get x is equal to 14. Moving over here, you're going to draw a line. Going to add 7 to each side. 6 equals z over 3 times 3 times 3. 18 equals z. Just a little reminder, you need to show all your work. Okay, draw a line here. Now this one, there's no distributing, but there is combining like terms. So it's 3x equals 21. Divide by 3. X is equal to 7. Combine like terms. Divide by 6. 4. All right, then these ones, we're going to look for the distributive property, combining like terms, balancing it, and then getting an answer. Pull that one up. All right, D, C, B, A. Obviously, it's the alphabet backwards. So distribute first. 7x plus 2x plus 12 equals 39. This is 9x plus 12 equals 39. Subtract 12 each side. 9x equals 27. Divide by 9. X is equal to 3. Okay. Then same thing, distribute. So distribute the 3. So you're going to have 4x plus 3x minus 15 equals 6. You're going to combine like terms. 7x minus 15 equals 6. You're going to balance. Plus 15 each side. 7x equals 21. And you divide, and x is equal to 3. Hint, hint, don't forget to show all your work. Okay, you're going to draw a line down here. 4x minus 7x, I'm distributing, plus 14 equals 26. Remember, that's a negative 7. That's negative 3x plus 14 equals 26. Subtract 14 from each side. You're going to get negative 3x equals what? 12. Divide by negative 3. And x is equal to negative 4. Okay, same thing. DCBA, distribute first. So 5x minus 4x plus 12 equals 17. Combine like terms. Showing all your work. Minus 12, balance it. X is equal to 5. Excellent. Okay. After you've done this, what I'd like you to do is send me an email telling me E period, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and then today, Thursday. How has the workload been? Is it just enough work? Are you having more than 20 minutes of homework a night? Let me know so I can gauge for next week to decide how much to give you. Okay. Any questions? Send me an email.